Are you struggling to pass a variable into a jQuery selector? It can be really frustrating when your code doesn't work as expected. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve this issue together. I totally get it. Many developers have faced this challenge. You write your code and it seems perfect, but it just doesn't behave the way you want it to. You're definitely not alone in this. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I pass the value of a variable into a jQuery selector? They shared their code, which captures a state value, but they are struggling to use that value in their selector. Sound familiar? Let's break it down. So what's going wrong here? The issue lies in how jQuery interprets the variable within the selector. Understanding this will help us fix the problem and get your code working as intended. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make working with jQuery selectors a breeze. To begin solving this issue, the user needs to ensure that the variable is correctly defined and accessible. First, let's confirm that the variable state is properly set up to hold the desired value. Next, the user should use string interpolation to include the variable in the jQuery selector. This can be achieved by using template literals, which allow for easier variable insertion. Now, let's clarify how to implement this in the user's existing code. The user should replace the current selector with the updated one that utilizes the variable correctly. Finally, the user should test the updated selector to ensure it works as expected. They can do this by checking if the correct elements are being selected in the DOM. Fun fact, did you know that jQuery was created in 2006 to simplify HTML document traversing, event handling, and animation? It's come a long way since then, and so have we. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the issue is a basic JavaScript syntax problem. Instead of using interpolation with the variable directly in the selector, you can concatenate the variable with a string. The correct approach is to use the plus operator to combine them. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always double-check your variable formatting when working with jQuery selectors. It can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. Your jQuery selector should now work perfectly with the variable. Remember, coding is all about trial and error, so don't get discouraged. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.